Hi everyone and welcome to Miss Film by Truelerato. Today is a beautiful day where we get to create a glamorous look. How to create different style and yet keep it glamorous. Do not worry, do not stress yourself. All you have to do is stay tuned and enjoy Truelerato taking you into a glamorous look. Today's another beautiful day where we get to have fun with our hair. Creating a glamorous look, it's all simple and yet so fun. All you have to do when it comes to your hair accessories, you're going to need your comb, you're going to need your pins, and you can keep your hair smoothing gel on standby. So do enjoy and learn how to create a glamorous look with Truelerato. So just take your comb, but before combing your hair, make sure that your hair is like literally clean and then moisturize. Comb your hair so that it's easy for you to style. As soon as your hair is like completely combed, take a comb where you can just open a line over here. You can open another line. Make sure you can take a pin. If you know like your hair, you can't control your hair, take a pin and then hold it all together and try to focus on the rest of your hair and pull it all together. Comb your hair together like this. Accessories, you can use any form of hair accessories that you can tie your hair together. Just tie it in over here. As soon as your hair is all together, you can now focus on the piece of hair that you separated from the other parts of your hair. Just comb your hair towards the front. The amazing thing about creating a glamorous look, it's all up to you. You can be creative as you like with this look. As every piece of your hair is together, just combine it with your hands. Make sure that every piece is like literally combined with your hair. Take your pin and then as you hold your hair, hold it to the end. And then take it to the back. Place a pin at the back so that take another piece of pin. It's important that your hair is like literally pinned together to your hair. Take a comb that you're comfortable in combing your hair. If you want to comb the style to the front, you may do so. If you want to comb it to the backwards, you may do so. It's all up to you. So this is a look that you can create with the pin. If you don't want any pins when it comes to your hair, you can remove your pins. Comb your hair to the front. Use your hands to make it very smooth. And then you've got another glamorous look. If you want to play along with this look, you can comb your ponytail from the back, bring it up, take a pin, and you can create a bun with this look. If you feel like you want to create a fringe with this look, you can still create the same look. You can look at the previous tutorials that I taught you when it comes to covering your receding hairline. You can take a comb, just hold your hair towards the front, take it to the back, and then pin it. This is the part where I say if you like what you see and you definitely want to create this look, make sure that you also do comment, share, and do subscribe when it comes to Truelerato in its form. Stay blessed.